So how do we multiply and divide with integers? And personally, I think that multiplying and dividing integers is way easier than adding and subtracting integers. There's some really basic rules to remember, and that helps us remember how to multiply and divide integers very easily. So basically what you want to remember is if the two numbers that you're multiplying or dividing, if they have the same sign, so you have two positives or two negatives, the answer will be positive. So let's look at that. We have a 9 times a 6, and then we have a -9 times a -6. Both of those answers will equal a positive 64. Same thing with division. We have a 21 divided by 3 and a -21 divided by a -3. Both of those answers will be a positive 7. So just remember that if you're multiplying or dividing integers and they have the same sign, whether they're both positive or both negative, the answer will be positive. So the converse is true. If the two numbers that you're multiplying or dividing do not have the same sign, the answer will be negative. So let's look at that. -9 times 6 and 9 times a -6. So we've got positives and negatives. The answer to both of those will be a -54. The same is true with division. A -21 divided by 3 and a 21 divided by a -3, both of those answers will equal a -7. So the basic rules of thumb that you want to keep in mind for multiplying and dividing integers: if the numbers have the same sign, the answer will be positive. If the numbers do not have the same sign, the answer will be negative. So let's put this into practice with a couple problems in our next video.